Let me check. Is it there in the WhatsApp group? Somebody has raised their hands. Give me a moment. Yes. Manjuram, did you raise your hands by mistake or you have to ask some particular doubt? Got it, is it? Okay. Alright, Manjuram. Not audible, some network issue. Who's having network issue? Is it you, Manasa? Hold on, hold on. One minute, friends. Just give me a moment. Let me settle everyone. Is there a message in the WhatsApp group? Nobody has messaged in the WhatsApp group now. In the chat, there is some question. Ratna is saying there is some error over there. Don't worry, friends. If they are not able to attend the lecture, I will be providing them with the entire video recording. It will come in the YouTube. So you can always check it from the YouTube also. Initial classes, everything will be uploaded on YouTube. So you will not have any difficulty. So please don't worry about that. And initially, I'll go very, very slow also. I will not rush, because I want to ensure that everybody is understanding thoroughly. Okay, I will explain this concept once again for all of you who missed it out. Can I start off now? Wait. Still I could join only now. I missed the topic still now. Okay, Ratna, don't worry. I will upload the entire video on YouTube. I will repeat this entire thing once again so that you don't miss out. Anyways, I have just started with one concept. I will repeat this entire concept from the beginning. Okay. Okay, Samit. Okay, I'll come to your answer, Samit. Let me first explain the whole concept once again. Can I start my class again? Ratna has joined now. She had some error earlier. She could join now. Anybody else who is not able to join, are you seeing anywhere in the WhatsApp group or in the chat or anywhere? Being the first day, there will be some difficulties here and there, Ratna. I apologize for the difficulty that's caused to you. We will sort it out. We'll find some way out for that. It's because every phone is different, every technology is different. So some students might not be able to sync with this class, okay? But if that issue is there, I have a full-fledged team who will support you in taking care of this, okay? Can we now continue with the class? I will explain the whole concept once again, friends. Hashir is an auto driver. He wants to purchase a new auto. For buying this auto, Hashir is going to Satish. Satish is an auto seller. When Hashir went and asked Satish what is the price of the auto, Satish told him the price of the auto is 2 lakh rupees. Alright. Now Hashir is doing some mathematics in his mind. He knows the life of the auto is 1 year, scrap value is 0, and his collection money, whatever he gets, minus whatever repair cost is coming, minus whatever is the petrol cost, and minus all the other expenditure if he does, he is getting 2 lakh rupees after year 1. Now he buys the auto today at 2 lakh. After 1 year, keeping the market of the Kerala where he is driving his auto, the value what he gets is only 2 lakh rupees. So now what happens? Today 2 lakh he invests. After 1 year, if he is getting only 2 lakh, he will not buy the auto because he has two options with him. Option number 1, put this money in FD. If you put the money in FD, you will at least get 10% return. But if you put the money in auto, you will not get any returns at all. So he will not buy the auto. Alright. Option number 2, 1,95,000 is the price what Satish is offering to Hashir. He will tell, let's not sell it at 2 lakh, let's sell it at 1,95,000. If 1,95,000 is put in bank, he would get 19,500 interest. But if the same 1,95,000, if it's put in the auto, at the end of 1 year, he will make 2 lakh rupees. Today, the price of the auto is how much? 1,95,000. What is the profit that Harsher is making over here? Only 5,000. So what is better? Put the money in bank. Option 3, he brings down the auto price to 1,90,000. Harsher, will he buy or will he not buy? Harsher has got two options. Option number 1, put the money in bank. He will get 19,000 rupees of interest. Option number 2, purchase the auto. If he buys the auto, he invests 1,90,000 today. At the end of 1 year, he will get how much money? He will get 2 lakhs. What is the profit that he will make over here? He will make a profit of 10,000 rupees. Everybody clear so far? Next option is go for 1,81,818. If he is taking 181,818, if he puts the money in bank at the rate of 10 percentage, he will get the interest of 18,181. If he buys the auto, 2 lakh rupees minus 1,81,818, if you do, you will get exactly the same answer. So I would say at this price, Harsher will be willing to buy the auto. Now here there is a doubt that Samit has asked. Samit, you say no because if we can get the same money without doing anything, your argument is absolutely valid, Amit. But Samit, but let me ask you one question. Does any bank actually give you a 10% interest? No. So let us assume this is not bank. Let us assume this is his dad's business. Okay. So his father is giving him 10 percentage. Auto also gives him 10 percentage. In that case, your decision will become the same. Am I right? Okay. So friends, I just want you to write down this entire thing in your book slowly. And wherever you have doubts, ask me. I will clarify this doubt. Ratna, I hope you are clear with this doubt. Please clarify and confirm. Jnani, your doubt is that it is SFM from investors' point of view and SCMP is from seller's point of view. SCMP is also from a business point of view. I won't say seller point of view. It is mainly about how you can make good profits in a business, how you can minimize your cost and increase your profits. So I can say it is from a business point of view. And when you say it's from business point of view, obviously it is from the investor's point of view only. So I would say both SFM and SCMPE are from investors' point of view. Okay. Spandan, can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Spandan. Can you tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, if he puts in a bank, that means he still has this initial investment of 2 lakh as an FD, right? But in case of auto, it will be the scrap value is zero, right? So what about the initial investment here in
We are
both the
talking
cases?
about Spandan, we are talking about year zero only. In year zero, this fellow has got 2 lakh in cash in his hands. Okay, this cash he can either deposit in FD or he can put that money into auto. These are the two options available to him. Am I right? Scrap
Yeah,
value is coming after 1 year. So after 1 year in FD he is getting 2,20,000. Am I right? Okay.
yeah,
In the auto he is getting a cash profit of how much? 2 lakhs over here. But as an investor, when you think about
okay,
this, scrap value is zero. Here, scrap value is zero. Cash profit is 2 lakh. Understood? Okay. So as
yeah,
an investor, if he has 2 lakhs, he puts in option one, he gets 2 lakh 20. He puts the same money in option two, he gets only 2 lakh cash profit. Understood? So which one will he
yeah,
prefer? He will prefer going with the FD. Did you understand this part now?
understood, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Spandan. All right, friends. Is the video clear? You cannot see the screen clearly. In my phone, it is little blurred right now. It is not clear for you also, right? Okay, wait. Let me check what is the problem. Speed is not good enough. 1 minute. 0.5 Mbps. I think it's because of speed. I think now it's now the video has become clear. Please confirm. I'll check with the speed. Is it clear now? No. Wait. Hmm. It was okay so far. Suddenly something went wrong. I think the speed has come down of the internet. Just a moment, friends. I'll just check with Abhilash. What about my audio? Is it clear? Abhilash, suddenly the screen has become blurred. What? Internet is only 8 Mbps it's showing. I don't know why. It's supposed to be 100. Alright, so if I just remove the LAN from, I have got two broadcasters, Wi-Fi dongles. If I remove from one and put it in the other one, will that class get stuck? It will take a minute. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let me see. Friends, I think because of rain something has gone wrong. The internet has become a bit slow. Give me a minute. Please give me a moment. Somebody has raised their hands. Harsh? Harsh, can you hear me? Did you by mistake raise your hands, Harsh? I think it was a mistake. Harsh, can you hear me? Friends, give me one moment. There is some speed issue happening here. Just a minute. Let me just check what can be done. Harsh, please give me 1 minute. Let me just sort it out. There's some speed issue. This. Friends, I'm just shifting. Wait, Harsh, the speed is low. I think that's the reason. Just give me a moment. I have one more. There are two internet connections I'm having. I'll just put the LAN wire in the second one. I hope the class won't get disconnected. Give me just 1 minute. I'm going to do that. By chance class gets disconnected, I'll share a new link with all of you. Okay. So give me a moment. I'm going to shift. Please answer a yes that you have heard that. Okay. So let's check if I hope hopefully the internet connectivity will not be lost in just that 1 microsecond. But if it gets disconnected, I will share a fresh class. I will start. Okay, in 2 minutes. Okay. Clearing here. Friends, I have shifted to Geo Fiber now. Let me check the speed. Here it is 26-28 Mbps. Can you see the screen now? Thank God. So the class will get disconnected. Okay, now Harsh, can you please raise your hands now once again? Let me check if you can speak. Harsh, can you speak now? Are you getting disconnected again? I can't hear you. Somebody else raise your hands. Is it just the problem of Harsh or it is something for others also? Okay, Shweta, can you hear me?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Shweta, I can hear you. So Harsh, it's only a concern with your computer in that
Yes,
case.
sir.
Okay, thank you, Shweta. Thanks a lot. Friends, can you please write down this in your books now? Harsh, can you please put in the chat? Teja, he can consider his own salary provided he's paying himself salary because he's a driver, he's driving the auto on his own. He should consider that part also. There is an opportunity cost involved. He should consider his own salary. Okay. Can you please write down this in your books and once you're done with this, let me know. Alright, I'm going to the next page now. Alright, friends. Is there a noise disturbance? Harsh, I'll reply to your answer. I think there is some difference in the basic opinion that I shared with you and you have understood. I will explain that to you. Is there a noise disturbance for others or it is only for Amal? It's okay now? Okay, fine. When somebody unmutes themselves, there will be a little bit of noise disturbance. That will be sorted out. Okay. Can I go to the next page now? Can you write down this in your books now? Are you done with this also? Okay. Next page. Are you all done, friends? Three people have messaged. I want five, six people more to confirm. All right, perfect. Thank you, friends. So this is done. Now I will tell you how to value an auto. We will start with how to value an auto. Based on this, I will tell you the universal theory which you have to learn. Okay. We have already learned the table here, cash flow, discount factor, discounted cash flow. In my example, year 1, the cash flow is turning out to be 2 lakhs. Discount factor is 10 percentage. So it turns out to be 0.909. Do I get the answer as 181,818? Is this the same answer what we got earlier? So can I say value of an auto is nothing but it is the present value of future cash flow which the auto can generate. Friends, this is a universal truth. Harsh, I will clarify your doubt after I complete this concept. Okay, this is a universal truth. Auto is giving 2 lakh revenue. Maximum price I can pay for the auto today is 1,81,000. Suppose tomorrow in Malappuram Ola comes in, Uber comes in, auto suddenly supply comes down. By driving an auto, I can make only 1 lakh rupees from auto. Will I be willing to pay high money for that auto? No, I will be willing to pay only money which is less than 1 lakh. So can I say value of an auto is nothing but the present value of whatever is the future money that the auto can generate. Similar to that, value of any asset is nothing but it is the present value of future cash flow that the asset can generate. I can give you a very simple example. Can you tell me who's your favorite actor? Prabhas, SRK, Mohanlal. Oh, we have an all India this thing DJ sir dancer. Oh my god. We are talking about actors here. Mohanlal. Fine friends, I being from Kerala, little biased towards Kerala, I will take this fellow. Mohanlal. Okay. Assume Mohanlal, or let's make it global. Let's be Indians now. Let's not be any state wise. I will take Shah Rukh Khan. Now friends, Shah Rukh Khan, how much money does he charge for a movie? Can you tell me? Kaulina, Tala, who's Tala? Can you tell me? I am very much confused with these terminologies that's there in Tamil Nadu. Some call Talaivar, Tala, Chinna Tala is there. So Ajit is Tala, is it? So who's Rajinikanth in that case? Okay, we'll discuss that later. Focus on this example. Shah Rukh Khan for a movie, how much money will he charge? Let us say he's charging 10 crore. Why is he able to charge this money? Because his movie is able to generate, let us say, approximately 50 crore collection. Understood? Now tell me a super flop actor in Bollywood industry. Let's talk about Bollywood. Tell me some super flop actor in Bollywood. Someone whom you don't like at all. SRK is super hit actor, no? We have to talk about a flop actor now. Come on. I'm assuming that SRK is a hit actor. Salman Khan, I will not take his name here, it will become a complicated issue. There are some hardcore Salman Khan fans. No, any other flop actor? Okay, I will take this fellow. Have you heard of this great personality, Himesh Reshammiya? No? Please Google and listen to his songs today, okay? This fellow, according to me, is a super flop actor. Do you know he acted in one movie? That movie was directed by him, acted by him. He did not take any money from the movie. Why? Because his movie will not generate any future cash flow. So can I say value of Shah Rukh Khan is nothing but present value of the future money that his movies are generating. Value of Himesh Reshammiya is also nothing but present value of future cash flows that his movies are actually generating. Very simple concept, friends. Future you make more money, today you have high value. Future you don't make more money, today you don't have high value. If you talk about companies like Zomato, Swiggy, these companies, Zomato has a valuation of $3.9 billion. Swiggy has a valuation of around $3.6 billion. How do you derive this value? If you check the profit and loss account of Zomato and Swiggy, they are running at a loss. But they are showing high valuation because everybody has expectation they are going to have huge future cash flows. So friends, my concept is very simple. Value of any asset. This theory is very important. Value of any asset is nothing but it is the present value of future cash flow which the asset can generate. And this theory is not only applicable to your SFM, it is applicable to your FR accounting standards also. I hope you are all studied accounting standards. There is an accounting standard for leases. In that, have you learned financial lease? How do you value a financial lease? It is nothing but present value of future cash flows. There is another standard called impairment of assets. In that, there is a term called as value in use. I don't know if you have learned that standard. How do you find out value in use? Present value of future cash flows. Again, in accounting standard 15 was the earlier one. Employee benefits. Okay, in that they have a method called as defined benefit plan, defined contribution plan. Defined benefit plan, how do they find out the value? Present value of future cash flows. So please by heart this terminology. Value of any asset is nothing but it is the present value of future cash flows which the asset can generate. Can you write down this in your books now, friends? Harsh, I will just parallelly answer your doubt. 2 lakh is the cash in my hand. It is not the money kept in FD. 2 lakh is the cash in my hand. I can put this cash in bank or with the same cash I can purchase an auto rickshaw. If I put in bank, I will get 2,20,000. Are you clear so far? If I put that cash in the auto, the money is gone. Now I only have an auto with me. This auto at the end of 1 year will give me 2 lakhs of cash profit. It will not give me any salvage value. Suppose it was giving me 5,000 rupees of salvage value. My closing value at the end of 1 year would have been 2,05,000 rupees. I hope you are clear with what I am trying to tell over here. So this is the concept. Harsh, are you clear with this concept? Please confirm and let me know. Okay, so now ask me your doubt so that I can clarify your doubt. Others parallelly please write down all these things. Since time is 9:30, I don't want to take too much more of your time. We will pack up at sharp 9:30 every day. All right. Done? Okay. Can you write down this in your books now? Yes, Nani, I will try my 110% to complete my class by September 30th itself. Exams are happening in November, right? I don't think there will be any more rescheduling of the exams. My classes will get over by September. Are you done writing this part also? I'm going to the next page. Yes, Jnani, that's the original plan. We will have some extra classes for SCMPE. Done? Harsh, yes, in your phone, down if you see, there is an option. First option is I am also in my phone, chat option is there, raise hands option is there. Okay. Harsh, can you hear me now? Harsh,
Sir, is my voice audible?
yes, Harsh, your voice is audible now. Yes, can you tell me?
Sir, what I wanted to ask is that 2 lakh rupees, if he had invested in a FD, he would have got a return of 2 lakh 20,000 in case of 10% interest.
Correct.
Same if he purchased the auto, he would have got just 2 lakh amount at the end of the 1 year. Right. So, in case of FD, he is getting principal plus the interest. But in auto case, he is just getting the amount invested or 2 lakh rupees, whatever his collection is.
Okay, Harsh, my assumption is that auto is going to generate cash profit of 2 lakh from an investor. From my point of view, just think like this. I have 2 lakh rupees in my hand. I put the money in FD. I got 2 lakh 20 at the end of 1 year. So I got principal plus I got interest. Am I right? Okay.
Yes,
As
sir.
far as auto is concerned, I don't get any principal. Principal is completely depleted. I am only getting interest. But the interest what I am getting is 2 lakh rupees. It's a high interest that I am getting over there. As an investor, what is my botheration? I put 2 lakh today. After 1 year, there I get 2 lakh 20. Here I get only 2 lakh. Which is better? 2 lakh 20 is better. Did you understand?
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, okay.
So, is it just the return portion which we are concerned about?
Return portion plus the principal value. Salvage value is the balance of principal value. In my example, the assumption was salvage value is 0.
Okay.
If
Okay, so
salvage
here-
value was there, I should have considered that part also.
Okay, in case of FD also, we are considering the salvage value as 0. Like that's amount invested is 0 right now at the end of the year.
FD, you don't have a salvage value. Only when you buy an auto rickshaw, which is a depreciable asset, you have a salvage value. Correct? FD is an appreciable asset. You don't have a salvage value there. All right?
Okay, sir. Fine. Got it. Thank you, sir.
So there's someone else who has raised a hand. Can I go to the next page parallelly? Oh, it's already done, is it? Okay. I'll just check who has raised his hands. DSY. DSY, what's your name first? Please tell me that.
Sir, Deepak here.
Hi,
Sir, I
Deepak.
think in the previous example, I think the confusion was that 2,20,000 is the interest portion. But if that was your confusion, the person who was asking question before, the 2,20,000 was including the interest of 20,000. So that is 2 lakhs plus the 20,000.
Exactly, yes, it's including interest of 20,000. Correct. I think Harsh has got that doubt sorted out. Deepak, I believe he's clear with that. Right? Thank you so much, Deepak. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay, fine. Everybody is clear now. Everyone is clear. Shall we pack up today's session with this now, friends? Wait, there is one more doubt. Just a moment. Hi, Ratna. Hi, Ratna. Can you hear me? This is not the last page. Okay. I don't know, Ratna. I'm not able to hear you. This is the last page. Annette, this is the last page. You can write down. Ratna, are you there? Ratna, can you please chat? I think there is some internet connectivity issue there, so you are not able to speak to me. Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you now, Ratna. Yes, please tell me.
Sir, no, not about doubt. I just wanted to ask. I missed major portion of the classes after the break, sir. I couldn't join the class.
Okay, Ratna, after the break, I have taken only one concept, which is value of how to value an asset. This is the only concept I have taken, and this concept is very important. Saturday morning, I will be starting again with this concept because there was some disturbance in middle. The net became slow, some issue happened. All right. So I will
Okay.
take this topic once again, and this video, whatever is taken today, it is being recorded. I will be uploading this video again on the YouTube. So you can play that video also. Next day morning when I do the revision, I will do a revision of this concept once again for 15-20 minutes, and then only I will be going to the next topic. Alright?
Okay, okay. Great,
Alright.
sir. Thank you
And
so much.
please, you all can leave. Who are getting late can leave. Okay. So thank you so much, friends. It was a very interactive and a very good session. See you all back on Saturday. First 5 days are going to be demo. Please share this information with your friends also who are interested to attend the classes. This new platform is very, very interesting, and I'm finding it much more energetic to take class because I can interact with you on a real-time basis. All right. Thank you so much. Have a nice time ahead. See you back on Saturday morning, 6:30 a.m. Thank you so much, friends. Take care.